I'll start with the internal structure here. Here we have the glomerular capsule. This whole thing itself is the glomerulus. The capsule is the outer lining. These are the glomerular capillaries, which are made of these special cells called podocytes. Here you have the afferent arteriole on the back, bringing the blood in. It's going to flow through these podocyte capillaries, forming the filtrate within this capsule. This is leaving the capsule. This is going to go to the PCT. The blood that stays within these capillaries is going to leave through the efferent arteriole, and here you see the cluster of cells called the macula densa. This makes up that JG complex, the juxtaglomerular complex. This is all fueled by our arteries here. These are the cortical radiate arteries, forming the little glomerular afferent arterioles. You can see it kind of zoomed in here. These are the glomeruli here with the PCT, and then we have our nephron loop with our descending limb and ascending limb, and then a DCT. This is the collecting system on this model. Going back over here to the arteries, you have those cortical radiate arteries, which form those afferent arterioles. The arcuate arteries, which arc around. You can see the arcuate arteries here, forming the cortical radiate arteries. And then the arcuate arteries are fueled by these interlobar arteries, which all branch from the segmental arteries, which branch from the renal artery. The veins have a similar nomenclature. They're just called veins instead. If we look at the overall kidney anatomy, you have the pyramids, which are all located in the medulla, which is kind of this meaty part of our kidney. The outer part where our cortical nephrons are is the cortex. The outer part is the capsule. Then you have the minor calyces, which are these small kind of dumping grounds of our renal pelvis. And then we have our major calyx here, which dump into the ureter. I think that is...
So the minors dump into the major?
Yeah, minors dump